Greetings everyone, it's a mathematics tutor again, Mr. T. We are still on grade 10s whereby we are dealing with factorizations. So we have two equations on the board whereby we have 2a b squared minus b cubed plus b squared minus 2ab. And then the second one is 6x squared y minus 10x y plus 15x minus 25. So these two equations are polynomials. They are polynomials because they have more than 3 terms. They have more than 3 terms. So they are polynomials. So let's start by solving the first one. When I'm solving such equations, we have certain rules that we apply for us to be able to solve this equation. So our first rule that we're going to apply on this one is group this equation into two parts. When you're grouping this equation into two parts, you're going to have 2ab squared minus b cubed, right? Then you're going to have b squared minus 2ab. After you have grouped your equation into two parts, you are now going to take out what? The common factor, which is the second rule. Taking out the common factor, our common factor here is b. But this b has exponents here. This b has exponents whereby we know very well that 1 can enter into 2 and 3, 2 can enter into 2 but cannot enter into 3 but can be subtracted. So our common factor here is b squared. The reason that I'm saying that it's b squared it's because you can subtract it here, you can also subtract it here. But then you cannot subtract b squared on something like this. When it's like this, you cannot say b squared, it's the common factor, because you cannot subtract it there. So b squared is a common factor on that equation because it can be subtracted in b squared and can be subtracted in b cubed. So let's solve the equation by taking out the common factor, whereby our common factor is b squared. So we're going to have 2a minus b. Let me show you how I did it. So because we have 2ab cubed and we are saying we are dividing with b squared, yeah? So this is how this equation is. B squared divided by b squared. Any number with the same base that you divide, you subtract the exponent. So it's going to be 2 minus 2, which makes it 0, or I, which makes it 1. So this one divided by this one is 1. We are left with 2a. And then we have b squared divided by b cubed. It's going to be b 3 minus 2. We're going to be left with what? With b. So b squared, it is what? Our common factor in this equation. Moving to the second one. Now, on this one, we have a negative whereby we have to put this equation in order, right? So let's put this equation in order. It's going to be 2ab plus b squared, right? Moving to the third step, we have to make this equation be the same as this one so that we can take out the common factor again. So we're going to have the b squared into 2a minus b. Taking out the common factor here is going to be a negative to make this one a positive and to make this one a negative. So we're going to have a negative. We are going to check which thing or which item or which term is common in this equation. We have the variable b, which is common, but then it's not b squared, it's b. Reason being, we can subtract b in here, we can subtract b in here, right? So our common factor here is b. We're going to have negative b, you're going to have 2a minus b. Let me show you how. So it's negative 2ab over negative b, right? So this thing is going to be like this. A negative divided by a negative is a positive, and then 2a it's 2a, and then b 1 minus 1 minus 1 is equals to what? It is equals to 1. So this one time is equal to 2a, we multiply by 1, whereby we're going to have positive 2a, and then on positive b squared, we're going to divide it with a negative b, which makes it a positive divided by a negative is a negative, and then b squared divided by b, we're going to subtract what? The 1 here, and we're going to be left with b, which makes it b. Right? Right. I don't know if you understand me. If you don't understand me, or if I'm too fast, you can tell me on the comments, and then I'll try to reduce the speed if I'm fast. But then if you're fine with it, you also tell. So moving to the second equation. The second equation says 6x squared y minus 10x y plus 15x minus 25. We start by applying our first rule, which is grouping this equation into two. We are having 6x squared y minus 10xy and 15x minus 20 minus 25. So we have to look for a number that is common in these two terms, or in these two numbers, 6 and 10. So let's check for a number that is common. We have 6, I have 10, yeah? We have 1 and 1, right? We have 2, right? And then on this one we have 3, we have 6. On this one we have 5, then we have 10. So the number that is common here is 2. So we have taken out our common factor here. We have what? X squared y, then we have x and y. What is common here? X and x, y. X, y. Meaning that we can, the things that are common here, this one, these ones. You see? You see? So we now already have the common numbers, or the common item, which is what? 2 and xy. Because xy and xy, they are common. 2 and 2, they are common. So we're going to say 2xy. We will be left with what here? 3x minus 10 divided by 2, it's 5. And then xy over xy is 1. So it's going to be 5 times 1, which is 5. Moving to the second one, we're going to also check for like terms. We have 15 and 25. Right. It's a 15 if you are not seeing it. The 15, 25, 50. Yes. So we have what? We have 1, we have 3, we have 5, right? We have 1, we have 5, we have, let me check with my calculator. Then it's 25 and it's 15. So what is common here? It's this one. And then moving to the second one, it's x and 1. It's x, it's 1. There's nothing that is common. Nothing is common here. So it means what the number that we're going to use, it's 5. Only 5, no variable on that 5. Only 5. So we're going to have what? A positive 5. So 15 divided by 5, it's 3x. And then 25 divided by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Negative, negative 5. Then you do what? You take out the common factor again, which is 3x minus 5, 2xy plus 5. You have solved your equation. On the first one, we were not done. We were not done. I was just simply checking if maybe, if whether you still remember very well that you can see that I'm not done or what. So we're going to take out the common factor, which is 2a minus b, b squared minus b. This is our final answer. So if you have enjoyed our lesson for today, thank you very much for watching. I would like you to please like, subscribe, and comment if there's any challenge you have. And if you're interested in finding yourself a tutor, just type "I need help," then I'll help you, and then we'll give you our service. Thank you.